How to make no one can stitch with your videos on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make no one can stitch with your videos on TikTok mobile. First then open TikTok and then click profile, and here in the top corner you will find the storylines. Click on it and then click settings and privacy, and then click privacy and scroll down until you find the stitch, this one, stitch. Click on it and then just click only me, and that's it. As you see now, no one can stitch with my videos. And now go back. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.